Hey everybody, this is Jay from American Survival. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. And today I'd like to share with you a trick slash tip on a do-it-yourself toilet paper. Right now with this virus going around, there's a lot of toilet paper shortages pretty much everywhere. I was just at the store a little while ago, and even our store shelves are empty. But here's your little tip and a trick. One shelf that was not empty, regular paper, like school paper, different types of paper. You take a piece of paper, crumple it up, stretch it out, crumple it up, keep working it back and forth, especially if you're stuck inside and you can't do a whole lot. Sit down for a few minutes and you can take this kind of back and forth, crumple it up, back and forth. The more you crumple it, the softer it gets. And if you spend a little bit of time before you know it, you got a whole wad. These right now have the consistency of like a paper towel. They're not, the texture is completely different now. It's a lot softer. You can feel the softness. And in an emergency situation, you can cut this in half, and then there's your two sections. But I just like to share this quick tip, and this might help you out. Probably have some paper laying around the house. I would probably recommend staying away from glossy paper or stuff with like a slick surface, because I'm sure it'll probably want to tend to smear. Not trying to get graphic, but just it is what it is, especially in the times that we are and the shortages that we're having. So I'd like to wish everybody out there all the best. I hope you're able to stay home, and I hope y'all are staying safe. So till next time, y'all be safe, take care, and God bless. Thanks for watching.